you purchased your property in 2023 and it's your primary home, listen up because this is for you. If you purchase a property, whether you did it with myself or not, that does not matter. What matters is that you register for the Homestead Exemption before the deadline of March 1st of 2024. You can register today. All you gotta do is go to the miamidade.gov website, which I'm gonna add the link in the caption, follow the instructions to the application, and submit it before March 1st. There are 3 major benefits you can get from applying to the Homestead Exemption as a Florida resident living in your primary home. Number 1, you're going to get $50,000 deducted off your assessed value of your property, which essentially translates to a reduction in your tax bill. Number 2, it does not allow your yearly property tax bill to go up more than 3% year over year. And the last thing is, in the event you ever get sued for whatever business dealings you're doing, they cannot use your primary home registered with the Homestead Exemption as a form of payment for whatever lawsuit you are in. So it adds an additional layer of protection. But if you have any other questions, do not hesitate to reach out. My name is Bryan Roach, your real estate agent here in Miami, Florida, and I'll see you next time. Take care.